Black Manila disposable pads. Disposable pads Black Manila with a 12,000 puffs with the flavor of straw cafe. This is a device of Black Elite compatible to this pads Black Manila. Transparent, as you can see, this juice. So it says here, nicotine level 30 mg/ml, capacity 12 ml. Package contains 1 Black Elite pads. So this is Black Elite pads or Black Manila. Warning: keep away from children. This product may cause harm and not intended for pregnant women. So it means this product, this vape, is not recommended for pregnant women or for minors ages 18 and below. So this is restricted ages. So only can use this product 18 ages and above. So let's put here the device and let's taste this flavor of strawberry cafe. This is a mixed flavor, strawberry and cafe or coffee. So taste is strawberry and mixed coffee. It's like a cappuccino mixed flavors with a dual flavors. So that's all. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.